Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to create a Verizon account. What you can do firstly is you can start a registration, go to My Verizon registration page and download and open the My Verizon app from your smartphone app store and tap register or sign up. Secondly, what you can do is choose your identification method, mobile number, Verizon telephone number, account number, order number or billing zip code. Thirdly, what you can do is verify your identity. In mobile device, what you can do is your free text message will be sent to your phone. Enter the code on the screen within 2 minutes and email containing a security code will be sent to your inbox. Fourthly, what you can do is you can create your user ID and password. Choose a secure password, set up a user ID, answer a few security questions to help you recover your account if you ever forget your password, and lastly, accept prompts and finish. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.